Hi, I'm Jay Lutzky, an attorney, and a lot of clients come in and ask a question: can I keep my car and file a bankruptcy? That depends on a few factors. First, whether you own the car and it's financed or you just own it outright. If you own the car outright and the value is a certain amount, and we normally use kbb.com, kellybluebook.com to get a valuation, which depends on the year of the car, the model of the car, and condition and mileage. That gives us the value. If it's below a certain level, you can file a bankruptcy, keep your car, and walk away from those unrelated debts. And those other debts would be discharged, and you get to keep your car. We list it as an asset, we list it as exempt, and you get to keep the car. The amount of the exemption depends on what the current values are in the bankruptcy code. The second situation is if you financed or are paying a loan on the car. That depends on, again, the value of the car and also how much your monthly payments are. The next process is we have to see how much your income is on a monthly basis, compare that to your expenses. If you have enough money to pay your regular monthly expenses and you have enough extra money to keep that car payment, you can keep the car. The process is called the reaffirmation, in which an agreement is prepared. The secured party, the financing or the bank, would provide it to us. We would have you sign it, we would sign it, the financing company would submit it to the court, awaiting the bankruptcy court judge's approval. If you decide to change your mind during that process, you do have a limited time period to cancel the reaffirmation, in which case the car would go back to the financing company and the debt would be discharged. The bank would sell the car. If you owe money on the car, which is the difference between what they sell it for and what they get at the auction, that debt or deficiency would be wiped out in a bankruptcy. If you want to consider this as an option to keep a car during a bankruptcy process, call me up. Happy to go through the analysis and we'll try to figure out what fits your situation. Thank you.